In the Forex market, using indicators for analyzing and predicting price changes can be very useful, but as you mentioned, capital management and risk management play a fundamental role in success in this market. The package provided to you after purchase covers all the essentials for success in the Forex market. This package not only emphasizes the use of indicators, but also teaches you how to manage your capital and control risk. Your emphasis on compound profit is also very important. This means that by growing your capital and building on the profits earned in previous months, you can potentially achieve higher profits in the following months. However, along with this, you must always pay attention to risk management to protect yourself from the various probabilities that exist in the market. By using this educational package and adhering to the principles of capital and risk management, you can achieve extraordinary results in a short period and continue on the path to success. This package helps you move confidently in the Forex market and enhance your financial successes.